Okay, the recording is now on set. Yeah, I'm with my friends here. Who the frick is this? Oh, Lynette. Okay. Face you. What? Interesting, interesting. Face your fear, cats. Hold on. Bro, I'm about to eat her. Where's my freaking gene? Yeet! Go Kazu, purple haze. Oh, double kill! Yeah, just random farming here, enjoying time with my friends, and making a video out of it. It's pretty boring, but it's simple.
The wind knows me.
Yeet. Oh! Hold on.
Time for takeoff.
Yeet! Bro, what the frick? What the frick? Bro, there's so many swirl. We can't even do
Wind
damage.
and cloud.
Let's play.
What the frick is this damage?
Think you can get away?
This garbage.
Here we go. Yeah.
Huh. That was easy. I'm gonna suggest them later to fight some boss that I like.
Adventure time.
Adventure time. Oh, that's actually good. There's elemental mastery and crit damage there. Looks good enough. Zoomer is worthless. Fontaine is better. I don't care. Yep, that's definitely it.
No
Why
time
did
to
you
lose.
start without us, you dumbass? Bruh.
Fallen leaves, adorn my night.
No, hold on. Let's enjoy the solo. It's his freaking fault. It's his freaking fault. He's a dumbass. Couldn't wait, huh?
One with nature.
Bro, let him cook. Get away. Yo, let's solo. Let's see the solo. Let's enjoy the show.
Into the wind. You can run, but you can't hide.
You're lucky I do much damage than you guys.
One with nature. Rise high. The birds come.
Bro, why did I even help? Bro, there's still one left.
Bring it on.
Bro, he's dealing no damage. What the frick? I saw 2-digit numbers. What the frick? 3-digit numbers. Bro, let me aim. Bro, let me aim. Let me aim. I can't even shoot through. Bro, he does no damage. 799. What the frick? 95. He can't even hit 100. Oh, there we go. 750, 799. Why did you even use the traveler? You had Jean. Nah, get away. Bro, you're such a dumbass sometimes. Bro, I want that crit damage. Oh, yeah. That's more like it. Oh! Ooh. Look at that. Look at that. 49. Dang. That's big. That's big numbers. Oh, what the frick? What the frick? What the frick is this? Oh, it's underground. No. No. Bro, they're already here. What the frick? Hold on. Bro, don't activate it. Yo, dumbass. You dumb freaking ass. You activated it. Told you not to activate it. Who the frick activated it? How is he still not in? Stop. Never mind. Attack. Oh, we can kill it. No gene. No gene. Traveler only. No, the health bar. Got him. Bro, I'm dealing the most damage here. Oh my god. No. Take it. Take it. No. Got it. Bro, I can't kill it. So I'm gonna push it away. What the frick? It teleported. Wait, hold on. Got a plan. Huh. That's good. You're welcome, guys. Bro, I'm dealing the most damage here. 3k. Let's go. Bro, what the frick? Oh, one of my teammates is about to die. Oh, that wasn't enough damage, bro. Bro, I'm dealing 3k. What the frick? Where's the other one? Did it spawn? Bro, I'm dealing freaking 3 digits.
The end.
Bro, I'm tanking everything. I'm a freaking tank. Oh, and he died again. Eat some food. No. Escape. I don't know who's dealing the most damage here. How do we kill him? How do we kill him? No. Get away. No, get away. No, get away. Nah, I'm not fighting that. Let's bounce. Let's bounce. Bro, he got killed. Oh, get destroyed.
Go.
Ah! Managed to get away. Whew. Start. Traveler only. No jeans. Level 80. You can't fight level 90 or something. Never mind. We can't. The frick was that? Oh. Hello. Bro, let's just... Yeah, let's use lowest characters. That's not freaking low.
It's time to move on. We shouldn't stay here.
What the frick was that sound? Oh my god, here comes the beautiful music again. You hear that? If you increase your volume, you will hear it. I love the music here. This is why I stayed in Genshin, because of Liyue. Liyue is gonna be the best place for me in Genshin. You didn't pick anyone. Why did I pick Dehya? Genshin 3, you say?
This opportunity is quite hard to come by. Well then, amuse me. Surrender is a valid option. I promise I'll be gentle.
Wanna join us? Oh no, we gotta die. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Cat time. Yeah, boy. No, 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 no. Run.
So quick to flee.
Bro, I have no items.
Passable left.
I have no items. Meow meow time. Oh, what the frick? Bro, I'm dealing 11. Ah!
Passable
Come a
left.
little closer.
Oh, frick. Oh, that's a whale. No! Oh, I freaking died.
Looks like I got carried away.
That sucks. What do you mean, Gorem? We all died.